Hi love, make this jollof rice with an empty stomach with me. Yeah, I actually made this jollof when I was very hungry. You know when somebody's hungry and you are angry at the same time. And funny enough, nobody make you angry. You just dey vex because the stomach. So guys, let's make this pasta jollof at home. So looking at the pot, I didn't even care the pot I was using because at this point, person dey hungry. So I had to just pre-cook the rice and set aside, and same pot fry my plantain because there's no time. This mama is hungry, so no time of changing pot here and there. So I had to use the same pot to fry the plantain. At this point it's good to go. I'll just have to remove the plantain and set it aside. So I tried removing the burnt part, but my dear, this mama is hungry, so I just introduced my sliced onion inside it, sharp because there's no time. Add my curry powder, just a sachet, then my tomato paste follows suit. I'll then stir and allow it to fry for some time. This point is well fried, so I have to introduce crayfish and fresh pepper. Actually blended the two together. Then this is my meat stock, and the meat too will follow suit. I used towel, and then I'll just stir and allow it to boil for a bit because at this point I don't get patient again. Mama is hungry. I'm so hungry. So I've introduced just 4 cubes of seasoning cube. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, I actually pre-cooked 5 cups of rice. So here salt followed suit. Then this is my pre-cooked rice, introducing it because I can't wait. Like I said earlier from the beginning, I am so famished. I feel like eating this thing raw. So I just had to stir and allow it to cook because I can't wait to have this because I'm hungry. So guys, this particular fish is so important to me because the taste is a top notch. It's actually dried catfish, very smoky and very tasty. So I had to just add one because I want Oh, at this point our jollof rice is ready. So let's check and see how far. You see what hungry can cause. Just see. So after stirring it, I discovered that this rice is not well cooked. I was like, waiting they do this rice. Which kind of rice be this? This rice won't make I vex for am. Even after knowing that I'm very hungry. So I don't get just I don't go chop raw rice now because I did hungry. So I had to add water to it, cover and allow it to cook very well. What's the person go do? I came back to check on it, and at this point the rice is not done. Yeah. Let's stir and see. It is well cooked though, because me at this point I have to wazzle this thing. Me I dey hungry. So but even at that, I have to seize this opportunity to thank every of my viewers watching from YouTube and Facebook. Thank you so much for always coming by. You see this rice is coming right to your doorstep. Let's enjoy it together. Look at my kids really enjoying it. Look at them. Nothing they sweet them like making them jollof rice with plantain. These girls, they too like jollof rice. If now soup now, you go see everybody go frown face. I go use cane force them, make them chop. I'm gonna see what my little baby say. Look here. You go fear now. As per person when they don't give favorite food. Thank you so much for always coming by. Please, if you're watching from YouTube, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you're contemplating whether to subscribe to this channel or not, please do and subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you're notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you. Ciao. Watch out for our next uploads. Love you. God bless you. Mwah.